All right, on Capitol Hill yesterday, Attorney General Merrick Garland faced a grilling from the Senate Judiciary Committee. The explosive hearing focused on a range of topics, including the rise of fentanyl-related deaths and the protesters who had gathered outside the homes of conservative justices after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. NBC News congressional correspondent Julie Tsirkin is with us now with more on all of this. A lot that they talked about yesterday, Julie. I know Senator Cruz really hammered Garland on the issue of those protesters who went outside of the justice's home. Walk us through, what were the key points Cruz was trying to make there?
Yeah, well, look, this was Garland's first appearance before the Senate Judiciary Committee in a year. So there was a lot to talk about, and essentially think about his appearance like a yearly review before the panel. And you had some heavy hitters on the Republican side on the panel, including Senator Ted Cruz, who decided to use his moment of questioning to focus on Roe v. Wade, on Dobbs, and the fallout from that, specifically as it relates to security threats made against Supreme Court justices. Take a listen to that exchange, and we'll talk about it on the other side.
Has the Department of Justice brought even a single case under this statute? It's a yes, no question. It's not a give a speech on the other things you did.
The job of the United States Marshals is to defend the lives.
So the answer is no.
Is to defend the lives of the justices, and that's their number one priority. They have.
Why are you unwilling to say no? The answer is no. You know it's no. I know it's no. Everyone in this hearing room knows it's no. You're not willing to answer a question. Have you brought a case under this statute? Yes or no?
As far as I know, we haven't, and what we have done is defended the lives of the justices.
So Cruz was talking about the attempted assassination of Justice Brett Kavanaugh over the summer. He also went on to crisis pregnancy centers and protesters targeting those areas. So heated exchange in those moments.
Yeah, it got quite heated. I know there was some more heat as well. Committee members zeroing in on the ongoing issue of those fentanyl-related deaths. What was going on that front?
Well, this was actually interesting because it was one of the moments of agreement between Garland, between Republicans and Democrats on the panel. Durbin, who chairs the committee, the top Democrat, he actually said that he had committed to Lindsey Graham, the ranking member, the top Republican there, to spend equal time discussing gun violence as they do fentanyl deaths. So this was definitely a big topic of the hearing. Take a listen to one point of questioning from Senator Cornyn.
Your 71,000 roughly of fentanyl overdoses. Do you consider your current policies successful?
We have a huge epidemic of fentanyl problem created by intentional acts by the cartels. We are doing everything we can within our resources to fight that. I have personally twice traveled to Mexico to try to get greater cooperation from the Mexicans on exactly the problem you're talking about.
Yeah, certainly this was a big topic. Millions of Americans being affected, dying every single year from fentanyl deaths, which are crossing over the border. And this is a committee that is also looking into the immigration issue. So that's important to keep in mind as you listen to that line of questioning to Garland.
All right, Julie Tsirkin, thanks so much for breaking that down.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.